This is the story of Harry the dog and Annie the girl. Annie loves reading and she just got her new book. And Harry prefers walking. He loves walking around the main sites of the city of Sofia, such as Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. Did I mention that Annie loves reading? And this book is simply amazing. Well, what can we do to make them both happy? How can we combine reading and walking at the same time? Well, reading while walking is not a good idea. So why not discover the poetry on the walls of some buildings in Sofia? The Wall-to-Wall Poetry Project was launched by the Dutch Embassy in 2004, when the Netherlands held the rotating presidency of the European Union. Within the project, each embassy adopted a wall in the center of the city and decorated it with a poem in its national language as well as a translation. The Bulgarian wall in Sofia is on the side wall of a high school. It features part of the Hadži Dimitar poem by Bulgarian freedom fighter and poet Hristo Botev. Harry and Annie just discovered another poem, this time the Romanian one, next to the emblematic theater 199. And just on the other side of Rakovsky Street, they discover another poem, this time the Czech one. So in the end, Annie and Harry thought, what better way to explain unity in diversity than to welcome a guest of Sofia with a poetry wall in their native language.